Now I know you didn't think I was going to do a haul this week. Let's get it. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Catloco. So today I want to focus more on the actual tools. This is my Harbor Freight haul. As always, I'll start with the small stuff. So the first item up is Performix liquid tape. Now I'll be doing a lot of electrical wiring, as you will see in this weekend's videos. So I normally use, just regular electrical tape, but I was curious on using the liquid form. It might be a little messier, but we'll see how it stands up compared to like your normal roll of normal electrical tape. So the next items I'll show you, but I won't really show you. I actually have a special video for these next set items that I'll show you in a better platform, I should say. So the first set of things I picked up was, I picked up these 1/4" drive sockets. Now this one's just the 10-piece chrome socket set. This is item number 61340. I don't know if you can see that. So I actually took these sockets out because I want to do a special video on these. I got the SAE version, and I also got the metric version of the standard Pittsburgh Pro chrome sockets. So the next item I actually got was the deep wall socket. Yet again, I took them out. There'll be another video especially on these sockets. So I got the standard socket and metric and SAE. I got the deep walls and SAE. I already owned the metric, so I wanted the full set. So I picked up the whole 1/4" chrome socket set. Then in 3/8 I picked up the standard SAE set as well as the metric. And the model numbers on those are 61285. And this one is 67924. So I got the 1/4" chrome, I got the 3/8 chrome. These are just the standard. I believe I already have the deep. So I got the 3/8 standard chrome sockets. Then in 1/2", I also bought the 13-piece deep impact in standard. I use mainly metric, but I wanted the whole set of standard and metric, so I picked this up. This is item number 69280. Yeah, you can see it. Then I also picked up the 1/2" versions. This is the 13-piece deep impact socket set in standard. I already have the metric set. This is model number 69280. Like I said, I won't show you the sockets. I already took them out for a special video. Then I also got the regular impact socket set. This is model or item 67918 in standard. So I picked up a bunch of sockets. I'll be doing another video just on the Harbor Freight sockets to show you basically what you're getting. So now to actually show you the sockets I bought and haven't taken out for the video. This is item number 67898. As you can see, this is the impact star socket set. Now I haven't really found a need to use these on the vehicles I work on, but I rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So I picked these up. This is a 7-piece set. This is item 67898. See the item number there? So I went ahead and picked this up. Then I picked up the 1/2" 8-piece impact socket set. This is the star set or hex, whatever you want to call it. I use these a lot in a junkyard. If you're taking out sunroofs, you're taking seat belts, various chrome trim. You'll need this a lot, especially T30. This is the larger set. I already bought the smaller star socket set, but I'm really good for this T30. I use that a lot. And this is item number, if I haven't said already, 67896. So the next item I actually bought a while ago, but I never showed you and I never used it. This is item number 610. This is a 5-piece retaining ring plier set. I got this in clearance for I think $4.37 on clearance. I don't really have any, so I went ahead and got it. You know, you can always use tools just in case you find out you do need it. You know, I already have it inside my box. So I picked up a set of ring pliers for basically less than $1 a piece in a 5-piece. The next item I picked up, some reason I always find myself needing driver bits, so I picked up this 32-piece magnetic driver set. It has security bits, has your flat, your Phillips, has some of your hex or Torx, your square bits, has like a little extension, magnetic extension, then a normal extension. I'll be using this a lot with my probably my snap-on screw impact. And this is item 68515. I probably own like 20 different sets, but I can never find them when I need it. I did buy it in Milwaukee, so I probably won't be using this exact set in the junkyard. I probably will use these extensions. But yeah, went ahead and picked this up also. So the next item is something else I didn't own, and that was the 8-piece bolstered screwdriver set. Yet again, I haven't found really a need to use these type of screwdrivers for like stuck Phillips screws or flathead screws. I'm sure there's a time where I will need them. This is item 94899. Alright, this is pretty cheap. I don't remember the price, but I wanted a set, so I went ahead and picked these up. The next item on my last Harbor Freight haul, you saw me pick up the soldering gun. This is actually a new one I saw in the catalog. This is by Schneider. This is a cordless soldering gun. This is a new item from Harbor Freight. This is item number 64034. And you actually use butane with the soldering gun. It gets up to 2300 degrees Fahrenheit. The only thing I'm not sure about, and I don't know if I like, you have to keep this like standing up vertically on the base like this. I can potentially see this falling over very easily, and I don't want to be, you know, put it here and all of a sudden it falls on my arm. That can be very bad. But I saw this in the catalog. I had to get it. I think it was like $15, something like that. So I went ahead and picked up this soldering iron. I will be trying this out on my project that's coming up on the weekend. So if I don't use this, I'll be using the corded version of the one I did in my last haul. Yep. Go ahead and pick one up. So the next item, everybody know I'm a fan of these type of lights. Like my zoom in light, you know, kind of like the Astro lights. I picked up the Braun slim light, the 390 lumen light, for I want to say 5 months. Once the videos of these started going out, you couldn't find them in my store. They were gone. They just started surfacing back in my store. So I picked this up, I think, for $20. This is item 63958. I actually took out the packaging and used it, and I like it a lot. I mean, the quality of it is great. It feels good in the hand. I I like it just as much as like these style lights, but it's, if you don't want to order one of these lights, this is the next best option for you. So if you need a light with a magnetic base and a really bright light, definitely pick one up. So the next few items, I actually wanted for a long time. I can see me using them more when I'm out in the yard. I'm using like an actual tool bag or my backpack. So I went and picked up the color combo wrench set. This is item number 66054 in metric, of course. A ratcheting wrench is key for me, and especially if you have a tool bag where it's not really organized and you just dump tools in. At least you can memorize, you know, the color. Like this gold 15mm and this green 10mm. This is much easier for me to grab my green ratchet and my gold ratchet right in the bag without even looking at, you know, just chrome wrenches. So I went ahead and picked this up. I can see the color probably fading, but the coating on it, it probably will scratch off eventually, but I think enough of it would be covered for me to know which size I'm pulling out my bag. So I picked up these ratcheting wrenches. This probably will be a junkyard tool that I carry. So the next item up, along with the ratcheting wrench, I need a 1/4" set. Now, same with the colors. I can see me using my 10 and the 7 definitely in the set. So that'll be your blue one and your black one. Especially on GM vehicles, 7mm, 10mm, 15 are the most common sizes that I use when I'm out in the yard. So I bought this 10-piece metric set of the color-coded deep wall socket in 1/4". This is the Pittsburgh Pro, item number 67868. So I definitely wanted these. I always buy 1/4" socket sets because I just use them a lot. So definitely needed these. So along with the 1/4", you know, I bought the 3/8 version also. And this is also a 10-piece. This is item number 93225. I don't know if you can really see that. There you go. So I got my 7 and my 10 and my 1/4" that I'll use a lot. Then this blue 15. So this would be way easier for me to carry around in my tool bag, knowing that they're color coded. So definitely be carrying these out to the yard, or just I'm out in the driveway, or if I'm in my garage working on my car. I really like the color coded theme on these tools. Like I said, they probably won't, the coating on these probably won't last that long if you use them a lot. They will peel off, but I think it's worth trying out anyway. So for, I think, a couple days now, I've been hinting or, you know, teasing you guys with the mystery box. So it's finally time for me to show you the mystery box. So the more that I'm getting deeper into this car stuff, I'm also getting into building consoles. I'm getting into doing beauty trunk boxes, door panels, the whole nine for my Caprice. So this is something I really wanted for a long time, so I just went ahead and picked it up. This is a 10-inch 15-amp benchtop table saw. This is something I needed many times, and I just never picked it up. I got it at a good price. This is model 63118. Now it doesn't come with the stand. The stand like is another, I think, $30 on sale. But I definitely need this for cutting MDF, cutting wood. I can use it for jobs around the house. But yeah, I definitely want one of these for a long time. Along with that, it comes with one push stick. So I also picked up another one because you really need two when you're doing this type of job so you don't lose any fingers. And you can see this is item 33279. It's just an additional push stick. Like I said, I think you get one in the box, and you're probably gonna need a second one. So I just went ahead and picked up this also. So this last item isn't from Harbor Freight. This is an Amazon purchase. I'm mainly doing this because Steve Davis did a video on building a console today, and he was having a hard time with the trans-tunnel hump in the middle where the console he's trying to fabricate goes. So I shot him a text earlier, but I think this is something, if you guys are into consoles, if you're into like car audio, you can use this for other applications. But what I got here is called a flexible curve tape. Now with this, basically what you do is you arrange the tape around, like say it's a hump. Imagine that's your trans tunnel. You just bend it in place and then go to your MDF or your wood, place it on it, pencil it out, and then you get the exact shape of whatever you're building. Now this one is like a 30-inch piece of tape, and you can bend it and curve it however you want, and you get the exact shape of whatever you're trying to do a template of, especially if you're doing MDF. MB Customs probably can use this, Sprayway, Perch Williams, Zoe, anyone that's doing any kind of fabrication, especially like you can think of like doing this in the trunk if you're trying to build like a false wall, or you're just trying to close out the whole wall with fiberglass or carpet or anything like that. You can use this for the sides of the trunk, bend it, just stretch it out to the contours of your trunk, and you get your template. Like I said, just put it against your MDF, trace it, cut it out, you know. But anyway, this is just a little tip for Steve. Get you a flexible curve tape from Amazon. Like always, earlier today, I think you'll see the video where I said I have 3,700 hours left on my giveaway before I give away those 3 ratchets. We're getting really close to getting 4K watch hours. So I thank everyone for their support. I don't want to drag on this video. Remember to like the video, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.